So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of cannot update Windows on your Windows 11 laptop or computer. Now there are multiple fixes. First of all, press Windows plus R key on your keyboard, and here you need to type for services .msc. Type it right there, hit enter, and you will in the services section. Now you need to find locate Windows Update. These all are assigned there. Now here it is a Windows Update. Just right click over there and hit on this option of start right there if it does not start set to start, or just simply go to properties and in the startup type set automatic, hit apply, hit OK, and that will definitely solve your problem. And if it does not, simply again open the settings, click on Windows Update, and here when you scroll down you'll see a troubleshooting option that says get help. You can definitely get some help from there. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.